My dinner has just arrived, guys. All done and dusted. A very good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing safe and sound. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mervin and welcome to another vlog. Just to give you all a brief, I just flew from Bombay to Ahmedabad and I just checked in this hotel. The hotel's name is Vivanta by Taj. So I'll quickly give you all a room tour, just like all my vlogs. I'm sorry if it's getting boring, but I do not have any other content. So this is the entrance to the room, the door. And as soon as you enter the room, just on your left is the bathing area, the whole bathroom area. So this is the mirror from where I started my vlog. This one is the other mirror. Till date I don't know what this mirror is called, but it just zooms out everything. Then if you go inside here, this is the you know what, your pot. This is your bathing area. So that's about it. That's the bathroom. It's tiny bathroom, but I think it's more than enough for you. So along with the bathroom, you get these amenities too. That's the shower gel, the conditioner, and I'm not sure why there isn't a shampoo here, but this soap too. These are the towels that are kept. And the other basic stuff that you'll get are this toothbrush, this disposable bag, the shower cap, body lotion, a comb, a razor, some shaving gel, and some Colgate. And you also get this hair dryer and some more towels, some tissue papers too. Just opposite to this mirror, you also get this locker and this shelf where you can just hang in your clothes or whatever. And these bathroom slippers, the most comfortable slippers I've worn. So these all things you get along with the bathroom in your room. Make sure you make the best out of it. So again, that's your entrance. And as soon as you enter, this is your living space. And the room looks like this. That's pretty much what your room looks like. That's the king size bed. That's your telephone from where you can just call the in-room dining or the guest services. And this is your window. And you do get a nice view. I am on the 3rd floor now, but I think if you get a room on top, you'll get the whole highway view from here. I'm not sure if you can see, but this whole highway view. And it really looks amazing in the night. You also get this TV here where they just advertise about their Taj properties. There isn't much to show in the room, but I think it's just perfect if you're staying alone. And honestly, I like smaller rooms much more than the bigger ones. But one thing I don't like about these rooms is this centralized AC. You just cannot adjust the temperature, although it does let you adjust the temperature here. You can just increase or decrease, but honestly I don't think it really works. The other one is I'm not sure why they don't provide a fan. I'm saying that because these rooms are so quiet and feel so creepy inside most of the times that I really need a fan in my room. I need that noise, a little bit of noise of the fan. And another thing that I don't like is,
Do you like anything, you ungrateful little shit?
these closed windows. I really wish they would just let me open one of them at least. I know it may sound like I'm cripping and all, but I am not.
Okay.
So yeah, it's almost 1:45 now and I am waiting for my dinner. I've ordered something. I will show that to you all once that arrives. I hope it just comes soon. I just cannot wait to go to sleep now. So I'll see you all when the dinner comes.
2 hours later.
So my dinner has just arrived, guys, and I'll show you what I have ordered. So just like every time, So this has become a thing with me now. Every hotel that I go to, I just try the burger and the fries and I just try to review them because I really like burgers and fries. So yeah. So I'll quickly finish my dinner. I'll try and review if I can because it's already 2 a.m. now and I'm very sleepy. So this is what my dinner looks like. That's the chicken burger, the peri peri fries, some watermelon and some watermelon juice. So I'll quickly try and review what I've ordered. I'm very hungry. First try the juice. Tastes just like watermelon juice.
हम मालूम है तेरे बाप को मत सिखा चल
The burger. So this is how the burger looks like. Just one chicken patty, some fried chicken patty, some mayo, lettuce, tomatoes, some more mayo. Yeah. I'll try the burger first. Honestly speaking, this burger tastes very similar to the one you get at Burger King, the crispy chicken burger, if you have tried that. Very similar. The mayo, the chicken patty. I think it's that frozen chicken patty that they've given me. But whatever it is, it's nice. And I'm hungry. That's how you eat a burger. This is the main item here. These fries, the peri peri fries, they're nice. No complaints about the fries. The watermelon. I think the order is just perfect. Proper portion, no overeating. So I'll quickly finish my dinner and I'll get back to you all.
Just then.
So I am done with my dinner, guys. This is how the tray looks like. All done and dusted. Like I said, I was very hungry and I am too full now and too sleepy. It's 2:30 a.m. and I'm just going to go off to bed now. I do not have any strength, any energy to vlog. So that's about it from this vlog, guys. I know it was a short one, but I wanted to vlog because I haven't since many days and I got a chance now, so I couldn't stop myself. But nevertheless, thanks for watching this video, guys. Please do like this video, share this video and do comment down below. And I will see you all in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye, God bless.